Yeah,
Okay.
old lady love.
Okay.
As little as much njengoba nami ngenza same thing.
Oh, let me running through your veins.
Mfethu egazini, yeah.
Okay.
Yabo.
Okay. Yeah.
So ke then kwenzakala wena mfethu kwathi old lady malishona.
Uh,
Old lady lami ishonele la isodwala uthama emaplazini.
RIP to you, man. RIP to you.
Yeah. La sokuthi la kwazeka khona.
Omla kwazeka khona.
Yeah,
In front of
kwazeka
you.
khona. Yes.
Ngikhula ningakhe ekhaya?
Sikhula
Sikhula indaba yami.
okay right sikhula mina ngikhula nosesi wami ozemva kwami mara khona omdala lo mdala usho ukuthi bekahlala ne-time alanga ngalelo shini
Oh, i-first born there.
i-first born
So-
sho ukuthi ku-oledi ne
3.
ya si-3 mina ngiphakathi nendawo ngi-out
Oh.
and then ukuthama ngiyi-first born
Oh, okay.
uyangithola so-ke then ngizalelwa la yikazi anyway
Oh, kulale omkasana.
yeah
Mayizulu sichamukaphi? Okay,
IsiZulu.
siyeza lapho. Okay, yeah.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
yeah
Mm.
so-ke wena mza wami kusho ukuthi manje i-oledi uma liceda ukushona
Yeah.
ngazohlala nabo magogo ngisho yazi ukuthi umntana washonile angahlali ne-time lakhe ngoba i-oledi belingahlali ne-time lakhe my biological father so now what happened is as bengihlala nabo uncle nabo magogo ngasebenzisa esinye isibongo of which sakamagogo lesibongo leso sakadube
Okay.
that is why ngalilikazi one ngalingasethandwayo
Yeah.
kunenye indawo umuntu angaraduke lo duke lo
Yeah.
uyangithola
Ngamagogo.
yeah via le shop leya mara lapha kamagogo via le family engi-adoptive not the genuine one uyangithola that is why ngibuyele ngithi leyo madlozi store
So wena utalelwa elikazi. Your
Yeah.
mom she's from Likazi.
i-olive lami kusho ukuthi yena ngokuzalwa kwakhe bebahlala ezweni
Okay.
yeah
Uthame ehlala pha.
uthama hlale likazi uzalele likazi
Okay. So batholana njani oledi?
khona lapho ngoba ithama lisifane kakhulu la igama belisifana la embodlela wena mfethu
Okay.
angithandi ukuyisho lo short mara anyway yeah
Okay, say.
right kusho ukuthi uma bathi njengoba ngihlala nabo magogo kuma biological family singaze sifike kuleya se-1 because leya se-1 it's not my real family the time ngihlala nama-biological family bathi uma sisuka koma-85 khona lapho ngoba bengingena isikolo ezwelisha ngenza grade 1 yeah SSB sathi uma sisuka lapho bangisa sayohlala eTatawu komunye umagogo futhi from there sayohlala Mayo Estate. Mayo Estate is emaplazini.
Okay.
Yeah, ngahlala laphayana and then Mayo Estate, you know what happened in my life? It's in 1988.
Yeah.
Yeah, 89. Ngelinye ilanga ngoba benginabangani babantwana bafana babelungu so
Okay.
yeah angeke ngisho amagama wabo ngoba nale plaza sisekhona lapha yonke
Okay.
bengihlala nabo after school uma babe esikoleni sidibana sidlala kube mnandi kube ngiloko ngelinye ilanga awuthiyami sihambile angisakhumbuli bangaze besiyobukela iMango Groove eWhite
Yeah.
and then apparently ngithe uma ngibuya on a Sunday ngathola endlini kusele udonga yonke into ngisho nenza yami ngahambe nabo ngineke
Ubani? Umama.
not oledi angisho belibodile oledi abo magogo everything and the little ones even my little sister yeah kube ngilandele babami
Yeah.
bahambile akunamuntu endlini umlungu abuyele si-check-e so ngathi umlungu njengoba ungekho ngizokuthatha ngihlale nawo lapho lo mlungu angadokutha khona and apparently before loyo nyaka loyo phela beka-shift amuvele to another farm somewhere ngale koma-Tricross and whatsoever
That white person. That white family. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
samuvela ngale sathi uma simuvela ngale ngoba umlungu and ngaleza inkathi bekunzima mani ubona omnyama hamba nomlungu
So manje ngithola ukubamba umlomo. La uhamba khona uthola mase ubuya back wathola nginanamula bengini laba adopte khona nakhona.
yeah it's like uyabona ngibekisela kanje this friend of mine le ngamla lezi uthole ukuthi on a Friday ngibavakashele ngoba bengibavakashela by Friday ngibuye ngama-Sundays or sometimes they'll drop me off on Monday mornings for school yabo so then sivakashile for that weekend
Yeah.
njengoba siyobukela that Mango Groove thing
Nje usuka kuphi usuka ekhayini cobo.
yebo kubomagogo la sihlala khona
Oh, kusekhayini lapho.
yes at the biological
Ilawo
family.
bathola khona bahambile bakushiya.
Yeah, at the farm day. Sathi masibuya nalabelungu later on la sithola khona kungena muntu. Well, uphela
Uhlala
unyaka.
nobani lapho nomama nobani?
Angisho oledi belibhodile. Ngihlala nomagogo nabo uncles. Yeah.
Lo akamkhatha.
Not that side. That's my father's side. On the mother's side.
Okay.
Yeah, on the mother's family, the mother's sister, the mother's brother.
Beduka.
Yes, and the biggest
Nibo
family.
labathola bahambile.
Yeah. Uthola kunganamuntu dog.